These are the wet erase markers from Pascal, I guess. And it comes in a 12 pack in 12 different colors. But these are cool because they have two different tips. They have the brush tip and the fine point. So each end has a different tip on it. So you can see there's the fine point right there. And then I'll show you. Here's the brush point. And it's actually kind of fun to write with a brush point because what it does is it kind of flattens out a little bit like a brush, like a paintbrush or whatever. And I'll just show you. I did the dates at the top. It looks like it smeared a little bit. It was wet when I set that down. But the fine point is the dates at the top, and then the brush point is that one there that got kind of smeared there. But I'll just do it again here. See how it kind of flattens out there and like a brush. Anyway, really cool. And so these are the dual tip ones, and I'm using them with these little, I don't know, MC squares, McSquares, whatever you call them, these little wet erase boards that really I think it's the marker more than anything, but these little like post-it note size erase boards that I can just put on my refrigerator or my mirror or any smooth surface to be able to write notes to myself, and then you erase them when they're damp. You can erase them. They don't wipe off like a dry erase marker does when you just rub up against it. So anyway, we really like these. And these are the new pack of wet erase markers I got to try because I was using the ones that came with these MC squares, the Tackies markers, and I was wanting to try these. These are dual tip and have the cool brush tip and the fine point. So really cool. Like them. I mean, it seems like they're going to work really well. I just opened them, but I just like the way that they write and stuff. This one was wet when it smeared. That's not the fault of the marker because I rubbed, I put this package on top of it when it was still wet. So anyway, it's good stuff. Like it.